a lot of times the illegally downloaded music doesn't have the quality or clarity that is in the original if you were to have bought the CD or purchased it on iTunes or what have you. So what happens is when you listen to that on your computer speakers, it's not at a really loud volume, or maybe you put it on your iPod, whatever. Well, when you have it blasting at, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 800 watts, you're going to pick up, you're going to hear all those hissing or little, I call it digital noise, where you could, it sounds pixelated almost. And you don't always hear that. So, these headphones, listening at a normal, comfortable volume, you can hear all the little impurities and all the flaws, in whatever you're listening to. So, great headphones. So, what else? The Alesis DM5 Pro module kit. I added, 3 extra toms and 1, 2, 3, 4 extra cymbals. So that's what that is. And I also had the Trigger IO, which is basically it's just it basically gives me more inputs to add more triggers, which I had to purchase so that I could add all the extra stuff on it. And that's pretty much it. I guess that's it. So yeah.